Hey guys, Mike here with TV Parts Today. Behind me on the table, I've got a VIZIO unit, a V505-H19. I'm going to show you how to remove the back as well as the boards out of this unit. And as always, be sure to give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 to place any orders. And let's get into it. All right guys, once you have your TV flipped over, you're going to take note there are several screws going around the outside of this unit as well as a couple here in the center. Keep in mind as you're pulling these screws out, a lot of these are going to be different sizes. So try to lay these out as best you can to help you remember where they go. If you've got a tackle box at home, that'll work wonders for you. At this point, we're just going to start getting these screws removed out of this back. And as we lift up on this, we are going to have some cabling attached here. So be very careful and we will get you a better angle on that. And then as we lift up, be very gentle, try to do this at a right angle. And right here is where we're going to have our cord connecting to the back panel, and we're going to get you a better angle on that. All right, if you take a look down here on our main board, this is that cable that I was telling you about earlier. It goes all the way to the back panel here. What you want to do is just pinch down and pull out this particular cable. It is held down by some tape, so what we're going to do is gently lift up to get that tape removed, and honestly, just pull that whole piece off. And now we have full, unbridled access to our television. All right, main board right here, we've just got some cablings to remove as well as some screws. This guy here, we're just going to pinch down at the top, pull it straight out. This is a ribbon cable. Always flip up the flap and then very gently shimmy that cable straight out of there. There we go. This one here, just a pinch down and pull kind of situation. Be careful and mindful of your ribbon cable next to it. Speaking of which, flip up the flap with your fingernail and shimmy it on out. This guy here, pinch down at the top, pull that straight out, and then we've just got some screws. And that's our main board. All right, and then we have the power supply here. This guy here, we're just gonna pinch down on the top to pull that cable straight out. Same with this one, pinch it at the top, pull it straight out. And if it gives you any grief like that, you just pop it back into place and try again. Let's try with two hands this time. Sometimes you need a second hand. I think that's true with a lot of life's issues. And then we just have some screws around the outside. That's our power supply, folks. All right, guys, pretty simple stuff today. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do subscribe to the channel, your first order will qualify for 20% off. Thanks. See you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.